Thanks, Charlotte. Good evening, everybody. I am going to get to the weather for the week ahead, but I just wanted to look at the week just past because summer arrived, didn't it? In fact, we had some record-breaking heat recorded in Northern Ireland, not once, but 3 times. They broke their all-time record high, culminating on Thursday with 31.4 Celsius. And the heat was quite widespread across the country, with 7 consecutive days seeing temperatures in excess of 30 degrees. So it was hot by day. It was also very warm overnight, quite uncomfortable. This chart, well, this shows Cardiff Tuesday into Wednesday, so temperatures peaked at 30 degrees, but by 10 o'clock in the evening, they were still sitting at 23 Celsius. Very uncomfortable indeed. And it was this cumulative effect of extreme heat by day and some warm, humid nights that led to the Met Office issuing its first extreme heat warning. Now, as we all know, more heat in the summer has the ability to create and keep some humidity. And of course, after 3 fine days, yes, we had some thunderstorms. And in fact, we had some localised flooding through the middle part of the week in Kibworth in Leicestershire. This was Rothley. As you can see, golf ball size hail sent in by Phil. And in the last few hours, we've seen some significant thunderstorms across London and through Kent, which has brought some localised flooding as well. And it's this theme that's going to continue into our weather this week. Yes, we keep the risk of some heavy showers, some of them thundery. There will be some sunny spells, but the most noticeable thing about our week ahead, unfortunately, is it will feel cooler, noticeably cooler as the winds swing round to a northwesterly. Now, the low pressure that's brought the showers just recently, that's drifting its way up into the North Sea. That means more cloud for eastern Scotland and northeast England first thing tomorrow morning. But Monday, not a bad day. Dry, some sunshine around, a few scattered thundery showers, but not as heavy or as widespread as in recent days. And temperatures across England should peak at 26 degrees. But it's Tuesday that we really will start to notice the change to our feel of the weather. Low pressure is going to anchor itself to the northeast of Scotland, and a version of this low is going to stay with us right throughout the week. And with winds rotating in an anti-clockwise direction, a northwesterly flow, a cooler source, dragging in more moisture off the Atlantic will trigger some sharp and thundery downpours. I'm not going to be too clever about Tuesday. It's a messy day, a showery day for many, and those temperatures really falling away, 15 to 21 Celsius. Now, as we move into Wednesday, spot the difference, really. We've still got that feed of wind coming in off the cooler Atlantic, maybe swinging round to more of a westerly, but nevertheless, it's going to bring in some showers. Now, eastern England, well, you may stay dry for much of the day and escape some of those showers, but they will start off quite widespread out to west, and 1 or 2 will drift further inland. Closest to the low in Scotland, it stays wet, and those temperatures again still struggling, 15 to 21 degrees. In fact, if anything, by the time we get to Thursday, there is the potential for that low to develop further. More isobars on the charts. The winds are going to strengthen. We could see gusts of winds in excess of 30 miles an hour on Thursday, which means on exposed coast, it's going to feel pretty disappointing, I'm afraid. Friday, maybe a little bit quieter. High pressure could build as we head into the weekend. Bye-bye. Matt.